gnocchi. This is what I want to do now, and this is the best patata for it. This is the best patata for it. The red one. This is a 1.5 kilos. 1.5 kilos. Yes, 1.5 kilos. So let me start cutting it now. Okay. Hello fams, you're welcome back to my channel again. Thank you so much for stopping by again. To all our new subscribers, oh, you guys are so special to my heart. Thank you so much. So today I'm back with another video, and this is what we call gnocchi. This type of food is type of food that Italians eat on Sunday. Like we Africans, when we are in Africa, you know, in Nigeria, we normally eat rice on Sunday. This is what they eat on Sunday. You know, they have time to do this. Okay, so I decided to show you guys a little bit of it. Yes, I wanted to do this for my family. Although today is not Sunday, the day I made it is not a Sunday. I just made it as a lunch. So this is how to make it. As I showed you in the beginning, I use 1.5 kilos of red potato. It's not a sweet potato, it's just normal potato, but the back is always red. So this is the best potato to use for it. Okay, so I finished cooking it and smashing it. Then I will allow it to cool down before working on it. So how are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. For us here, we are still on lockdown. Things are changing anyway. The death rates are coming down, but we are still inside. Yeah, I'm shouting out to all the doctors, nurses, all the medical professions that they are using now to work in the hospital. May God bless every one of you. God bless you. So as I wait for the potato to cool down, I started preparing for the sauce that I'm going to use for it. You know, we use many types of sauce for it, but I decided to use this one for the gnocchi. This is fresh tomatoes, and this is garlic and hot pepper powder. This is paprika powder. This is black pepper. And this is salt to taste. And you turn it. So all these things I put there, you can make your sauce the way you love it. So I just make, this is a quick sauce. This is Stockcube powder. Okay, the potato is now cold. So I will now work on it. This is 500 grams of flour. You now start working on it. Mix them together gradually. Yes, keep on working on it until you get to the texture that it can be molded. Keep on working. As you're working, you're adding the flour. So use your rolling pin to roll them out and start cutting it with a knife. You can see what I'm doing. So make sure you are using your flour because it's not all that strong. So you use your flour so that it cannot be sticking to another one. So make sure you see what I'm doing. Use your hand to roll it out. Continue doing it. So I'm done with rolling them. Now it's time to cut them. Guys, there are many ways you can mold and cut this, but this is the simplest way to do this. Okay. Just like when you're cutting your chin-chin. Very easy. So remember that I'm making the sauce. This is it. And now the water for the gnocchi is ready. So I added salt into the water. Then the time to pour them inside the pot. Make sure your water gets boiled. So this, for you to know when it is done. When it's done, every one of them will come up. Every one of them will start coming up. You know that it's done. So into my sauce, I added geisha. I told you this is just a quick sauce. A quick sauce. My motive of making this video is to show you how to do this gnocchi. So I added frozen basil leaf. I think by this time my sauce is ready. Okay. I will now face my gnocchi. Gnocchi is ready. You can see it. All of them is coming up. Once it's up, it's done. Guys, what are you still waiting for? If you have not subscribed to this channel, do now. Help your sister. Share the video. Change meal. Okay? Don't eat one kind of food all the time. Change meal. Go international. Okay? So this is it. It is done. My gnocchi is done. And I'm going to enjoy it with the sauce, with geisha sauce. This is it. It is ready. Thank you guys for watching up to this period. If you are just here up till now, oh, take him back. Ciao. God bless you. Remain blessed and stay safe.